Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Today our topic is whiteboard. Use of whiteboard. Whiteboard plays a very important role for the teachers as well as for the students. A teacher can inculcate his ideas, the content, whatever he is going to teach in a proper and an effective way by the help of proper use of whiteboard. And on the other side, if the whiteboard has been properly managed by the teacher, then the student feels easy to understand the concept whatever the teacher is going to explain. Here is the whiteboard, that is the display of the whiteboard. At the very top right of the whiteboard, there will be a date. The format will remain the same. It is the best format of the writing the date. Then there will be the name of the teacher, then subject, then chapter or unit, then topic, then students present, students on leave, total students, SLOs on the right side, student learning outcomes, and explanation with examples, with tags, activity, then recapitulation in the shape of graphic organizer or on the teacher's discretion. Then there is on the right side, there is a success criteria, and there is a homework, project work, exam, test, announcement, etc. Presentation. Whiteboard presentation plays a very important role, and on the other side, this one is the presentation of a teacher during the whole period, how the teacher comes, how much time the teacher will give to the different things that he is going to adopt while teaching in one period. And so, the first of all, there will be a greetings. Greetings will take only half to 1 minute, where the teacher will say them good morning or whatsoever he is going to ask them. And the next one is there is a class settlement. The teacher will check if the class has been properly settled according to the content whatever he is going to explain or teach, then it's good. Otherwise he can make minor adjustments according to his wish, according to the requirement of the topic that he's going to explain. So this is clause settlement. It will take 1 to 2 minutes. The next one is write date, name, subject and attendance. If there is a first period in that class, then the teacher will write date, attendance. But if there is a second or so on, there is any other period, then the date has been already written. The teacher will just write the name, subject, and attendance is already given by the first period teachers. The next one is step is the brainstorming. The teacher will ask one, two, or three questions according to the content, according to his requirement, and lead the students towards the topic. So it will take, I think, 1 to 2 minutes. It means 2 to 3 questions are enough for the brainstorming. The next one, announcement of the topic. After brainstorming, the teacher will announce the topic and write the topic on the board. So it will take only half to 1 minute. The next one is SLOs. Students' learning outcomes will be told and written on the board, that whatever the requirements the students will be able to, then teacher will explain whatsoever it is. The next one is explanation. Explanation of the main topic in points, in bullets, rules, whatsoever the teacher is going to explain. So explanation will take 7 to 10 minutes. After explanation, there will be an activity that the teacher will uh, give to the students. And before activity, the teacher will share the success criteria and write the success criteria on the right side of the board as has been allocated in the previous sheet. So here, while activity, the students will keep in mind the success criteria and then they will do the activity. While doing activity, the teacher will make the round within the rows and ask the students and help the students if there is any query, if there is any problem, if there is any mistake that they are going to do while doing the activity. So it will take 15 to 20 minutes according to the discretion of teachers, according to the content. So it takes a long period. It means half period. This one, 20 minutes almost. The next one is after activity, there will be a recapitulation. If here the teacher should keep in mind if he is going to explain his topic in the explanation area with rules, with points, with bullets, then here he can use graphic organizer or something graphics. And if he is going to use graphics at the first explanation, then here he can use bullets, but not the same on the both sides. The next one is homework, announcement, whatsoever is the requirement of the teacher, and he is going to tell the. Here is a board that has been prepared by an English teacher, and here check how the teacher has prepared the board, and here are some more tips that can be helpful for you. First of all, there will be a date, then the name of teacher, then subject, then chapter or unit, whatsoever here is paragraph writing. The topic is success story of a role model. Here the role model is J.D. Vance. So first of all, the teacher will explain over here after, because there is no need of this one. Present students, on leave students, total students, whatsoever. It is a formality that has been written over here. So SLOs, students will be able to what? Follow the rules. What are the rules? Rules of the writing a paragraph. The next one is the students will write a paragraph. How the students will write a paragraph? First of all, the teacher will tell them there will be an introductory sentence or the topic sentence that introduces the main power, that is the James David Vance, and then there will be explanation regarding to his life, his early life, how he fought for our hand, how he struggled for his life, what was the early life of J.D. Vance, and his educational career, then his political career, then his success, and then there will be a concluded sentence where the students will write, give a conclusion that whether he is a successful man, unsuccessful man, and so, or you may say the hard work gives reward, etc. So this one is there will be a concluded sentence of the paragraph writing. After this one, after this explanation, the teacher will write the success criteria over here, and the students will do the activity by keeping success criteria points in their mind: excellent presentation, error-free work, correct use of verb, sequence, one unit. The paragraph must be written in one unit. and there is no sub paragraph within one paragraph. Make the paragraph interesting, be optimistic, be positive, and be precise because it is not an essay, it is a paragraph. So while doing this activity, the teacher will make round the class so that if there is help, then teacher can provide that help to the students regarding vocabulary, regarding sentence making, regarding the, you may say, the structure, flow chart, etc. So at the end, there will be a recapitulation in this way. This one you may say is the shape of a diagram. Z-evidence will be the main point, and around main points, all the points will cover his life, introduction of Z-events, explanation of the life of Z-events, conclusion of the life of Z-events. Then after that, then the activity will take 15 minutes, 20 minutes, then it will take this one. Recapitulation will take 5 to 7 minutes. So after that, there will be a homework that has been delivered, that is, write a paragraph on another successful story of your role model.